Everyone, welcome to the video. Here we are going to show you different type of the flowers that you can create and different type of the fashion designing styles that you can just try to make on the different outfits. So let's begin with this one. Here you may require some of the ribbons, some of the underwires and some of the double-sided tape that will actually going to represent the stock area. Just have to take some of the ribbon satin one and you just have to trim it down. After that you just have to roll it. You just have to make the edge curvier with the help of the lighter that will bend them towards the outwards direction as apparent on your screen. You can just pause the video, wrap all these stamens together over the wire with the help of the glue gun and now decorate it from the outer side with the help of the green tape. Here you just have to take the measurements that are shown on your screen. The ribbon is to be folded in the direction that's apparent here. You just have to fix it with the help of the lighter slightly. You just have to give some heat to fix them properly. Now we are taking this bendable wire and we are just attaching some of the stamens that are artificially available in the market. You just have to place them inside these flowers and it looks so good. Here we are taking the ribbon and you can see with the help of the double-sided tape we are just trimming it down and then we are just bending it with the help of the lighter and the heat and we are rolling it down over the wire. Now we are taking some of the ribbons of different colors and you can see with the help of the thumb you can just bend them and the lighter is used to just fulfill this whole activity. Here you may require some of the tape that is brownish or greenish in color. After that you just have to place the rest of the flowers one after the another over them as apparent here. Some of the activity that require patience, you just have to be very patient so that you will attain the perfection. You can see how with the help of the glue we are trying to make this trunk area brownish one. One after the another you just have to place the flowers over it. Let's move towards another activity. Here again we are taking some of the ribbon and we are trimming it down with the help of the scissors according to the shape of the petal that we require. After that with the help of the lighter you just have to bend them properly and the thumb is used for that. Now you just have to make the stalk area. You just have to place one after the another leaves at the proper positions. Taking some of this satin ribbon and trim it down according to the shape of this petal. Now at the center you just have to place the stamen area. Now you just have to make the stalk one using the glue gun. We are going to decorate it further. Now we are taking some of the tissue, rolling it down and at the center it's going to represent the body portion. You just have to wrap it up with the help of this red ribbon again.